Lava Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Lava Wallet app has been gaining attention for its mission to make decentralized finance simple and accessible. With a clean design and cross-chain capabilities, Lava aims to bring WAP to everyone. But is it truly as powerful as it looks? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Lava Wallet's biggest strength is its multi-chain support. It allows users to manage assets across several blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon, all within one sleek interface. This makes it perfect for anyone juggling tokens across different ecosystems. Another pro is its focus on DeFi integration. Lava gives users direct access to staking, swapping, and liquidity pools without leaving the app. You can earn yield, manage NIFs, and track your portfolio in real time, all from one dashboard. Security is another strong point. Lava uses non-custodial encryption, meaning your private keys remain fully under your control. That's crucial in a time when centralized exchanges continue to face hacks and withdrawals issues. Now, the cons. Being relatively new, Lava still faces limited brand trust and adoption. While its design is polished, it lacks the established user base and third-party integrations that wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet enjoy. Another issue is that advanced DeFi features can be intimidating for beginners. Although Lava simplifies the interface, new users might still find the terminology and options overwhelming. In summary, the Lava Wallet app brings impressive innovation, combining security, multi-chain access, and DeFi tools into one clean platform. The surprising truth? It's a hidden gem for crypto explorers who want full control, but it still needs time to prove itself in the crowded world of digital wallets.